Hi there, Madeleine here. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up your website with a simple website builder and a template. Because running a coaching business, consulting practice, or even any small business is tough enough, right? You're juggling clients, marketing, sales, and so forth. Building a website shouldn't be another struggle. If you're overwhelmed by all the website builders out there and just want a simple way to get a professional site online, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how GroovePages and pre-designed templates, like this free website template I'm giving you, make launching your website incredibly easy. Alright, so let's dive into the demo. But first, I want to quickly show you the website template I've created for you in GroovePages. This one is for a career coach, but you can customize it for virtually any service-based business. It includes a simple home page designed to capture leads, an about page to build trust and connect with your ideal clients. On the home page, you will also find a services section, and this leads to even more services, as you can see over here, where you can go into much more details, and this you will get here on the services page. All right, and over here, your contact section. I will also share a tip on how to link your contact section to your navigation menu over here. So let me show you just how easy you can customize this template and truly make it your own using the drag and drop power of GroovePages. Even if you've never built a website before, see how simple and intuitive it actually is. Alright, so here we are in my GrooveCM account. I've logged in. And over here you can see we are in GroovePages, the GroovePages app, and we are in the home page section. All right. So first, let's personalize the home page by changing the headline. You can just click, ensure you in the text element. Then you can change this to something that makes sense for you. Alright, so basically just click and edit. It's that simple. You can even use ChatGPT or any of your favorite AI tools to make your headline even more benefit driven and attention grabbing in seconds, tailoring it perfectly to your specific offer. And if you want to change the background image, you can come over here and show you actually in the block section. Then you can see you in the block. Then you can come over here to background. You can change the color. You can change your image. You can upload your own images from example Canva or your own library, or images from the free stock photos library in Groove. So this is how quickly you can completely transform the look and feel of your website. Let's jump over now to the About page. Alright, so here you can change the text to anything that will make sense for you. And here you can easily replace this placeholder image with your own professional headshot, instantly adding a personal touch. You can come over here, you just make sure you're in image, then you can configure it. You can do it here or here, and then you can choose your own image and insert it in here. Right. And of course, editing the text is just as simple. Click and type to tell your unique story and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Let's move on to the services page. So here you can customize these service items to showcase your specific offerings. You can effortlessly edit the service titles and descriptions to clearly highlight the value you provide to your clients. You will notice that each service item already includes a Let's Talk button. You can simply link these to your booking app or page to easily set up appointments. The way you will do that is by making sure you're actually in the button element. Then you can go over here or here and you can actually link it to either URL or a page or even a blog. You can change the name of your button over here, and if you want to include sub labels, you can also do so here. All right. So the Groove Page Builder actually automatically adds all pages in primary navigation to your nav menu over here. However, as I've mentioned earlier, I will actually show you how you can link your contact to a specific section on your page. In this case, we don't want to add a new page. We just want to get contact displayed in the navigation menu. So instead, we'll link it to our contact block that is actually included at the bottom of all our pages. First, let me show you how to label or ID your block. Alright, just make sure you are in the block section over here. You will also see it here. Then you can come over here and edit it. You can name it contact. Alright, enter. And now you've labeled or ID'd your block contact. Next, we will click on the nav menu. Make sure you're on there. Then we will go to the settings section in this toolbar. Here we will actually add a link, right? We will label it or call it contact. Then we will link it to a block. We will link it to the block called contact. All right. Let's just go over to our homepage over here that is published. So now when a visitor clicks on contact, it will take them to the contact section over here so that they can easily get in touch with you. So, as you can see, building a professional website for your business doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or time consuming, especially when you make use of the drag and drop simplicity of GroovePages and pre designed templates like this free website template I'm giving you today. So, now how do you get your hands on this free website template and unlock the power of GroovePages for yourself? It's fairly easy. Simply sign up for your free Groove account using my affiliate link, which I've placed in the description below this video. Besides the template, you can also unlock the following exclusive bonuses when you sign up with my referral link. All right, let's just go through them quickly. Bonus one, it's a hands-on lead magnet training course. All right. Then you've got the downloadable lead magnet course cheat sheet. Next, powerful tactics to build your email list fast. Then, unlock your marketing potential with 50 essential AI prompts. Then, of course, this coach website template. And if you upgrade to paid through my referral link, you will get a free one-on-one support call from me. You can jump on a call with me and I will help you get started with Groove.cm, or if you need help to set up your website template or to customize it, or even if you are looking for a clear roadmap to launch your first online course. Then You will also get discounts on future offers from Online Launch Maven. I plan on creating more templates and you will get discounts on those. But to ensure you get these bonuses, please follow these steps. You can go through them. It's important that you ensure that the referrer here says Madeleine Vermeulen. All right. And to qualify, please send your invoice to me at this email address after purchasing the offer. And to help you get started even faster, I've also created a short, separate tutorial video that walks you through the simple steps of importing this template into your GroovePages account. So be sure to check that out after you sign up and claim your free template. Some of you might already be Groove users, or maybe you can't sign up for a new free account through my affiliate link right now for whatever reason. But not to worry. If you would like to get this website template to use in your existing Groove account, I leave instructions on how to get hold of it in the video's description as well. So there you have it. Now you don't need to wait any longer to build the professional online presence your business deserves. Click the link in the description below to sign up for your free Groove account. Claim your free website template bonus and other bonuses to help in your lead generation and marketing efforts, and start building your dream website today. At the moment, Groove's got a special offer. You can actually try out the website builder and other critical apps that you need in your business for free for a whole year. I hope you have found this video valuable. Thank you for watching. And I'm excited to see the websites and or landing pages you create with GroovePages. If you have any questions or a request for a template build for a specific type of business, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye bye.